After increasing tension in Ladakh and rapid militarization of South China Sea and Beijing's takeover in Hong Kong has sparked anger around the world, and India is all set to take China on its knees by using its most powerful weapon. It is not its nuclear weapon, it is not its army, it is the Indian geography. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a collection of 500 islands in Indian Ocean which can end the Chinese regime forever. So let's find out how. This is Siachen X-File. This is the Indian Ocean region from the Strait of Hormuz between Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman to the Strait of Malacca near Andaman and Nicobar Islands. More than 60% of world's petroleum export and China's 90% of the oil move through this shipping lane. And India can choke China right here in the Strait of Malacca, which has been an headache for China. In 2003, former Chinese President Chen Tao had referred to it as Malacca Dilemma because China needs it open and India has the power to control it. The Malacca Strait is a shallow and narrow waterway. It is one of the most congested waterways in the world, and reports says around 75,000 ships passes through it. It is also the shortest seaway that links Indian Ocean with the South China Sea, and whosoever controls it can place a strong hold on China's energy supplies. In 2018, 90% of the China's oil passes through the Malacca Strait. If India decides to block it, China would lose access to a vital artery for global trade. Chinese ships will have to take a longer route. According to one estimate, China's shipping costs could increase by more than $64 million if the Strait of Malacca is closed for even a week. Another estimate says alternative routes could cost Beijing anywhere $74 to $220 billion a year. These tropical islands has its own naval fleet, ports, air bases, air force, army and integrated air defense with SAM and anti-ship missiles and the state-of-the-art radar and electronic intelligence. And it is located in the world's most important strait, keeping an eye and safeguarding India's water. This is Andaman and Nicobar, an archipelago of 552 islands with capital Port Blair. Andaman and Nicobar has many bases, such as INS Kosa. It is located in the northern Andaman. It is an Air Force base stationed with Poseidon 8 submarine hunter and fighter jet squadron. INS Jarawa. It is located in the Port Blair. It is the logistic and administrative headquarters and can house aircraft carrier and large warship. Supported by INS Utkarsh, which has Navy fuel storage and ship repairing facilities. INS Car Nicobar. It is located in the 10-degree channel. It has an air base stationed with MiG-29 fighter squadron. INS Karadip, deep sea port in Kamrota Island for heavy logistics supply. INS Baz, it is both naval and air force station in the Indirakol Island, stationed with Poseidon 8 for hunting submarines and squadrons of fighter jets, and it acts as a long-time maritime base for monitoring Andaman Sea and the Malacca Strait. Andaman is strategically located in between Andaman Sea and Bay of Bengal in the mouth of Malacca Strait. The archipelago is just 1255 km away from Kolkata and 1200 km away from Vizag, the Eastern Naval Command of Indian Navy, and 1190 km away from Chennai, mainland India. Myanmar is only 45 km away in north. Phuket is 550 km in east of Andaman. Indonesia is just 163 km south of Indirakol in Nicobar, and Singapore is 1500 km away from the Port Blair. Malacca Strait is very shallow and confined, and it is very narrow in between Malaysia and Indonesia, and both of them are anti-China. And in the mouth of the Malacca is the islands of India, guarding its 750 km long entrance through the islands of Andaman. So in event of war, this is an absolute kill zone for Chinese Navy. Indian islands equipped with SAM and anti-ship, in fact the world's fastest cruise missile BrahMos with a speed of 3500 km per hour. No warship without an active electronic countermeasures can survive such a missile fire solution. Whereas the Indian Navy, without putting a single warship in the kill zone of Malacca Strait, can defend the entire Indian Ocean region with the Americans in Diego Garcia. And for China, the only solution left is to capture the Indian unsinkable aircraft bases of Andaman, which will be completely costly in lives and it will take months of planning to make it happen. And this is the ultimate deadlock for Chinese, as the PLA cannot stand a blockade of the strait for more than 2 weeks. And the blockade of the strait will lead to the shortage of the fuel by 90%, and hence PLA cannot fight as their war machine will be out of oil. And another supplies like Myanmar-China gas pipeline only supplies 5% of the requirement, and Gwadar CPEC of Pakistan is not yet functional. So China will starve out of oil within weeks, and thus they will be defeated in a situation of war. A situation like this would add to China's problem. It already faces a territorial dispute in the South China Sea. The tensions are growing. In fact, last week the United States declared that most of the China's claims to the South China Sea are illegal. China knows that Strait of Malacca is its Achilles heel, and that's why India is increasing its drill with US Navy in the area. New Delhi has sent a message to Beijing that it would not have its own way on the high seas. This is Siachen X-File. The next video will be on why China wants to control South China Sea. If you have any other points, please write down in the comments. And if you do not want to miss any content of our channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon. Till then, goodbye.